Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and today I'm going to show you how to cook rice. It's so easy, but you're probably doing it all wrong. So let me show you how to do it right, and you can make your own rice at home and save a ton of money. Let's get to it. Sparky, it's time to make dinner. I think we're going to have tacos. Gonna make some rice. Well, the first thing you're going to do to make rice is bring water to a boil. Now, there's probably some instructions on here, but it's so tiny I can't read it, and I never follow the instructions anyway. What I do is I bring the water to a boil, and then I just pour in the rice. Because what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil. Then we're going to turn it down and put a lid on it. The water came to a boil. I stirred the rice to make sure none was sticking to the bottom. And now I am going to put a lid on it. And I turned my heat down to 2 or 3. Usually takes rice 20-25 minutes to cook. Now you may be saying, but you didn't measure the rice and you didn't measure the water. Oh my, what are we going to do? This is what everybody does wrong. When you're cooking rice, cook it like spaghetti. Don't measure your water, just strain it. I just checked that rice, it looks good. If you need to though, never hesitate to add more water. I think that's probably getting almost done. I just tasted the rice and it was perfectly done. So now we're going to strain it just like you would spaghetti. See, this is where people make their mistake. They try to measure the water and rice exactly. No need to do that. Cook it like spaghetti and then rinse it. That's how you keep it from being sticky. I put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and now we're just going to put the rice back in there. You want to let it sit long enough to really drain all the water out, and then you can just toss it with the olive oil. There you have it. Perfectly done rice. It's not sticky. And I am just going to go ahead and put the lid back on it until we're ready to eat it. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. That makes me think that you must be a super sweet person. I really appreciate it. And if you got anything at all out of this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. I hope you have a great day.